Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam, free online classes in mathematics. So we have come to the world of comparison. Today the whole world is in competition. So the school marks are compared, the cricket scores are compared, the prices of goods are compared, is it not? So everywhere you find competition and comparison, correct? And in a sports field also, in games, even in eating also, there will be comparison. So let us see some more details about comparing quantities. Already we have discussed about ratio. Whenever you compare two things of same units, then we write it as ratio. For example, height of two boys, okay, Ramu and Somu. Suppose Ramu is about 150 centimeters and Somu is 175 centimeters. We compare the heights. So ratio we write 175 is to 150. Weights will compare, but both must be same unit, same type of quantity. That is what is called as ratio. So any ratio can be written in the form of fraction also, and in percentage also. And write in percentage, denominator must be 100. For example, if you have a ratio 1:2, the fraction form of this will be 1/2 and percentage form will be 50%. 1/2 means 1/2 into 100, that is 50%, correct? So like that you can express the ratio in different forms also. Ratio has to be expressed in the simplest form and both quantity are of the same kind. Suppose you have ratio 200 is to 300. It should be written as 2:3. By cancelling that 100, you get 2:3. That is simplest form of it, correct? So any ratio should be expressed in the simplest form. Suppose you have 12 and 18. Then you write it as 6 2s are 6 3s are. And both the quantity are of the same kind. If we are telling about weights, both must be in the same unit. Suppose they are in different unit, what do? You must convert into same unit. For example, if the length of a line is say 1 meter, and then length of another line is 50 centimeters, then this to be converted into same unit means, say 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter is to 50 centimeter. That is the meaning. So that centimeter cancels and the answer will be 2:1. So that is what is meant by both quantity of the same kind. Okay, find the increase or decrease percent. For example, in test marks, in the first test one may score little less marks. Suppose if he gets say in the first test say 40 marks, suppose it increases to 50, so there is an increase of 10 marks, correct? Then you have to find out for 100, that is called percentage. Similarly, value of goods also will sometimes it may increase, sometimes it may decrease. petrol rate. It was 113 rupees, 117 rupees. Now it is reduced to 108 rupees, 108 rupees. So there is a decrease, and that decrease or increase can be represented in terms of percents. Percent means per 100. How much you must find out. Okay, so that's all we have seen in the previous classes. Now coming to the home assignment. On Sunday 8:45 people went to the zoo. See, this is a photo of a zoo. What is this animal called? Anybody? Tallest animal in the world. That's called giraffe. Where you find giraffes? Mostly in Africa. Is it not? Here the kids are playing with the giraffe, giving some eatables to it, right? So on Sundays there were a lot of people. Usually there will be a big crowd. So you can write these steps. They are asking percentage decrease. People, number of people visited the zoo. What is zoo? Zoo is nothing but a collection of a place where hundreds of varieties of animals, birds are placed in. For example, in Mysore you have a very beautiful zoo. Of course, in many cities it is there, and it is 80:45. And the number of people visited on Monday. The same thing, number of people visited on Monday is 169. And they are asking, therefore, decrease of people. Decrease of, you can say, visitors. How much? 15 minus 9 is 6. And this is 30 minus 7. 30 minus 6 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So 676. Correct? And they are asking percentage decrease. Percentage decrease of visitors to the zoo. So total decrease is 676 out of 845. For 100 how much? Percent means for 100. So this will be 169 for the 169 5 4 5 5 1 5 20 20 into 4 80%. So decrease, percentage decrease is 80%. Visitors, VISITORS. Understood? How many have visited zoo? Okay, many have seen, right? You enjoyed the company of animals, birds, especially, chimpanzee. Is it not? This is one of the most attractive one. Just like human being it behaves. Correct? Now coming to second question. Find a percentage increase or decrease. price of shirt decreases from 280 to 210. So original price. So solution, when you say shirt, it applies usually for boys, but there are some girls also who wear shirts, correct? They want to look like boys. So these are some of the samples of shirts. A lot of varieties will be there, and usually on festival seasons they reduce the price just to attract the customers. So original price of the shirt, of one shirt, that is the meaning. How much? Rupees 280. Reduced price. Reduced price. Why do they reduce? There are two reasons. One, to attract more number of customers, or to empty down all the stock. Old stock will be there. They want to reduce or clear that old stock. So you have decrease in price. So decrease in price is how much? Rupees 70. And they are asking percentage decrease. Percentage decrease, percent. What do you mean price? Price means cost. So for 70, it was 280, decrease is 70. For 100, how much? So 71s are 74s are 4 ones are 425s are. Answer is 25%. Very simple question. Now coming to increase now. Marks in a test increase from 20 to 30. So note down this. So second question, original marks. How many of you are increasing marks from the first test to second test, or first exam to second exam? So many are there. Good. You have to increase, correct? So original marks is 20. Increased marks. So it was 20 is increased to 30. And so therefore you can see present marks. Therefore increased marks is, it was 20 is increased to 30, 10. Therefore percentage of increase. Are you following? Noted down this. So it was 20, it became 30. How much increase? 10 increase. 10 increase for how much? For 20. And for 100 how much? 21s are 25s are. So you have 50% increase. So that is the increase there. Okay. Now we will pass on to topic for today. Noted down that? Okay. Today's topic is about discount. You might have heard during the festival of Dasara, Deepavali, and Christmas, New Year's Day, and so on. They put like this, lot of advertisement they put just to attract people for making more business. It is written here 50% off for super sale. Is it not? So many things you see. Sometimes they use the word discount. Correct? So discount means it is a reduction given on the market price of the article. Suppose the pen cost, if the cost of the pen is say 15 rupees, the cost of pen is 15 rupees. On some festival or for some time, no, they reduce it to 10 rupees. So they reduce it. That is called as discount. It is calculated on the market price. And now what you are getting, that is called selling price or sales price. So discount is equal to market price minus sale price. So 15 rupees pen is sold for 10 rupees means the discount is 5 rupees. Correct? The cost of the shirt is say 300 rupees. That is written on that, marked on that. And he is dealing for 250, 50 rupees decreased. It is called discount. So they do all sorts of advertisement. You might can see in the mobiles or TV, etc. about this, just for publicity. They will call for some famous persons like cricketers, film actors, and so on. And for example, Coca-Cola, Pepsi and all, not at all good for health, please note. But they will show to some persons, they make it to drink and all. And those who see it, especially children, will be tempted to see it. But you don't drink that black type of drinks, they are not at all healthy. Shall we work out some problems on this? Okay. A table marked rupees 15,000 available for rupees 14,400. Find the discount given and discount percentage. So you can say, what are the steps? You can also do it. Very simple. So marked, I think all of you have table in your house, right? So in some schools also they provide. So marked price, first step, marked price of the table. It is rupees 15,000. That was sold for, so you can say selling price or sale price. Selling price of the table. Why they sell it for lesser price? I told you already, to attract the customers or to dispose of all the old stock. That's why they reduce it. By seeing the advertisements, people will rush to that. So now they are asking, what is the discount? Discount formula is market price minus selling price. So what is the market price? 15,000. Selling price 14,400. So if you subtract, how much you get? 600 rupees. Correct? 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 10 minus 4 is 6. And here 4 remains. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 600 rupees. That is that. And then the next one is percent or discount percent. Therefore, discount percent. The discount is calculated for market price. So, discount divided by market price into 100, that is a percent. So, discount is 600 by market price is 15,000 into 100. And here 0 cancels, 151 za, 54 za. So 4% discount. So 15,600 is the discount given, and that is 4%. So here 20 cancels, 151 za, 154 za. So discount percent is 4% is the answer. Correct? Some of the shop they write no bargain, no discount, they say. And they say that we have give quality. Note down. Over? Okay. Coming to next question. So here is an almirah. Beautiful almirah. Here so many things are kept. What is this one? Shoes. These are shirts. This is not, these spectacles. This is table lamp. These are cosmetics. This is bags. This is cash box. So many things are there. Correct? So here is an almirah sold at 5,225 by allowing a discount of 5%. Find its market price. So selling price is given and discount percentage is given. So market price you don't know. So we have, let us take it as 100 rupees. So let the market price be equal to 100 rupees. When it is not known, you can take it as X also, or you can take 100 also. As it is percentages, easy for 100. That's why discount is 5%. For 100 it is 5 rupees. And therefore the selling price will be 100 minus 5 becomes 95. But by question, almirah is sold for 5225. So by question, selling price of what is that? Goods. Almirah. What is it made up of? Here it is made up of teak wood. Sometimes there will be steel also. Almirah. RAH is equal to rupees, this is how you write rupees, 5225. Therefore, market price of Almira. If market price is 100, the selling price will be 95. If selling price is 5225, what is the market price? That will be cross multiply. So 5225, correct, into 100 by 95, and that will be, so if you cancel 5 19s are 51045, 19 ones are 19 5s are 95, 9 remains 95, 55. So 55 into 100, 5500. So much of rupees, 5500. That is the answer. So Almira cost is 5500. That was sold for 5225, and discount given was 5%. Okay. So because of 5% discount, the 5500 cost of the Almira was got in 5225. It's a good business, correct? Okay. That's why when the reduction is there, people rush to the shops just to take more and more things. Now one more problem. This is what a beautiful bag, something like your laptop bag. A shop gives 20% discount on a bag, market rupees 250. What will it be its selling price? So solution, come on, what are the steps you write? So market price of a beautiful bag. Of course, you may have, all of you may have a bag that is called school bag. It will be very simple, correct? For keeping your books, geometry box, water can, is it not? Tiffin carrier and so on. You tie it on the back for going to school, no? Go very happily, joyously. So like that, but this is a laptop bag, or you can say cash bag or office bag. So market price is rupees 250. So discount given is 20 rupees, 20%. They are asking what is its selling price. How to find out selling price? Selling price means market price minus discount. So if 100 rupees is the market price, discount 20%, they say. Means for 100 rupees 20% discount. So after subtracting discount, will be selling price will be 80. Now the market price is given to be 250. Then what is the selling price they are asking? Correct? If 100 rupees is the market price, selling price is 80 rupees because 20% discount. Discount means reduced price. So if 250 rupees is the market price, how much is the selling price? This will be 250 into 80 by 100. 52s are 55s are 2 1s are 2 40s are. So 40 into 5, 200 rupees. So cheap. So will you go for buying it? Okay, 20% reduction is a very good business. So whenever there is reduction, but you must be careful about the quality of the bag. Sometimes, to dispose of the old items, worn out items, outdated items. For example, cars. Some of the cars will be outdated. For example, ambassador cars are not there in market now. Once upon a time, very, very famous. In Maruti, van also reducing because it is little outdated. People want new and new type. So here is a bag which is new type. So there is a 20% reduction. So the selling price becomes rupees 200. Okay. So noted down. Okay. Now we'll pass on to home assignment. During Diwali festival, Diwali means Deepavali, a shop gives 20% discount on a pair of shoes marked at rupees 750. What would be selling price? Second question, an iron box marked at rupees 840 is sold for rupees 714. What is the discount and discount percentage? You come prepared for that. So third question, Arun brought a pair of skates. How many know have seen playing skates? How many are using it in the house? So this is what is called skates. Very interesting one. At a sale where the discount given was 20%. The amount he pays is rupees 1600. Find the market price. Will you work out? So before we close, let us see what Bhagwan Baba says. Don't forget God. Don't believe this world. Don't fear death. You should not forget God because from morning till night, even the night also, it is God who looks after us. Correct? So always you have to be grateful to God. And this world, is like a Maya bazaar. So many things are going on and everything is anityam asukam lokam. Nothing is happy in this world. A temporary, is it not? All pleasures of the world are temporary. And death is inevitable for anything that is born in this earth, going to die. So this is what Bhagwan Baba says. So come prepared with the answers for the home assignments. Thank you.